We're gonna leave the south of Hamburg and we're gonna go north of Hamburg. I wanted to stay here longer because it's a really nice spot, although yesterday I had to move because there were a couple of teenage guys setting up camp and I knew they were gonna make me. I'm gonna go, it's Sunday, I go through Hamburg. It's a really big city and I don't want to do that in midweek, in week time. I always gonna go. The problem is there is a river, the Ede I think it is. Wait, how is it called? The Elbe. It's like the Schelde in Belgium, and it's a really long arm, really wide arm, and there are no bridges. You need to go inland a little bit, then go through a tunnel or a bridge. So I go through the city on Sunday. It's hopefully less traffic and less cops, because I'm with the caravan for sure overweight. I'm not so sure with the car anymore. Pain in the ass. I so hated traffic and lights and other people. Jesus Christ, it's kind of hell. I don't understand why people want to live there. It's truly hell. It's hell. Okay, whatever. I'm now 25 kilometers out of Hamburg and here we are. We are not home. So insanely big. I have no idea if I can park here, but yeah. She said I can choose. I don't know.
einfach.